Alright, in this video we're going to talk about the third banner option that you have. We have a revolution slider option, we have the default, what we're calling the default proximity slider option, and the third one is this static banner. And this is static in terms that it's not going to slide, it's not going to rotate, it's not going to change. The 5 that you set here is what you get. So how do we set this up? Well, first thing we want to do is go to Appearance, Theme Options. We want to make sure that we have the Mosaic banner selected. So we can find that under Homepage and then Slider. And right now you can see I had it selected. Again, you can choose the 3 different sliders here. This one I have the Mosaic banner. And then I simply choose from my blog post which one I want to show. Now this does, again, pull from the blog posts. So whatever blog you have, or excuse me, what post you have under your blog, that's what will show in this drop-down list. You can't pull from pages, you can't pull from anywhere else. It must be a blog that you're pulling from. And then you simply do it in order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So it's going to automatically set that in. It's going to get the name of the post. And when you click it, it will forward automatically to that post individually. Okay? Okay, so let's go ahead and look at something else. What I want to show you is you'll see under each title or our name of the post, you'll see where it says, or at least in my case, I have faves. You see faves, 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 faves. That is actually the first category chosen in your blog post. Mine happened all to be listed as faves. So let me show you real quick what I'm talking about. If I go to my post, and let's go ahead and look at the Jessica one. Where is it? Here we are. We'll see the first category selected, in my case, is faves. So if I remove that, and now the first one chosen is photography. And then I update this, what I'm going to get is now the category, the main category, the first category, whatever you want to call it. That's the one that's going to show. So don't be distracted or wonder why it says faves under each one. That's why that is. So whatever one you have first, that is the one that's going to show up. Okay? And it is alphabetical, and that's why if you look right here real quick, and that by it's, I mean WordPress. WordPress lists everything categorized by timestamp or by alphabet. So you'll see it's PW. Then if I chose faves, that goes first because it's alphabetical, and you know, conversely, if I choose video and update that any day now, you'll now see it's in the middle and the weddings on the bottom, so it's alphabetical. Okay, let's go ahead and go back to the theme options. I want to go over one other quick thing, and that's the See All button. This is going to be up to you and how you want to set this. So basically they click the See All button, and where do they go? Do you want to send them to the category page, to the blog page, you know, whatever you want to set. And to do that, we go back to the homepage section, the slider section, and then we just enter in a URL. So for instance, if I want this to go to the blog, put that in here, save it. Any day now. And of course, in the middle of a video, it wants to run like a turtle. Okay, sorry about that. I had to take a quick pause. For some reason, it wasn't loading. Okay, so I refreshed the page. Here we are. I updated the link, and so now if I click the See All button, I'll get forwarded to the blog page. So if you want to set that to go to a category individually or something else, you can do that, but that's how you do that. This title right here, I guess I'll go over it real quick. This title is what shows up. Whoops. Has nothing to do with the banner, but it's there, so I might as well bring it up. This is what shows up here. So if I change this to favorites, then that's what I'm going to get on that bar. All right. Okay, so that is it for the Mosaic banner.